So in this Microsoft Word tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to add a watermark to your document here inside of Microsoft Word. So the first thing you have to do is open up your Microsoft Word document. Once that is done, here in the top left is a whole bunch of different options. There's Home, Insert, Draw, Design. You want the Design button right here. So for me, it's located between Draw and Layout. Simply just press on Design. Now on this top bar in the far right, there actually is an option right here. This is Watermark. Simply go ahead and press on that. Now what you can actually do is add a watermark. So by default, it actually has no watermark. You can add a picture if you want. You can go ahead here and add some text. So if you just want to go ahead and add the text right here, let's just say I'll type in the word watermark, just like that. You can change the font. You can make it bold. You can change the color. I'll just change the color to red right here. Then I'll press on OK. So now as you can tell, the watermark is right here. And when you're writing over top of it, I'll just type in the word watermark just like that, and I will copy and paste it a bunch of times so you guys can see it. It actually will just write over top of it just like this. So pretty straightforward, pretty simple. This is how to insert and how to add a watermark to your document here in Microsoft Word. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.